Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, undocumented, 306, nuclear, silent, who else? Malcolm, country boy. Everybody big up. J.A. man, big up yourself. You understand? Me see it, put a video in the WhatsApp group with a man, what it, not it, gone, dog. Terrible video. Video there. When I see that video, why? Make me think twice about how mankind is. But beyond that, I'm not lie. Doing this, like I said, I do it to highlight certain things. Now, all of my story them serious, some of them funny or whatever. But I do this for help the public and help people, yo, and highlight certain issues. That is my satisfaction. You understand? But with that said, since I'm doing these video vlogs or whatever the hell them call it, I'm telling you right now, I'm getting nightmares. I've been having nightmares because some things when me I dream about, and I never used to dream like that. So it's just the insatiable amount of violence and treachery and evil and wickedness in a mankind. It makes you think, because you know it's okay when somebody just watching news or watch the situation from sitting in their living room or upon them phone or. But when you are the person where I deal with it 24/7 for bringing it to the public and the viewers, and you have to go through the images, the graphic and the terrible images. You have to read some terrible story, like the young lady in a mobile, she not the gleaner. But they all do a story upon it, but we know some people will come on that channel, yeah, them not like them like it, but them really love more of them kind of thing. So I have to go on. But little girl get shot in her ears, dog. I know she need $50,000. I'm saying they have to put up her information. But beyond that, I don't see none of the other vloggers them. I try say, alright, the little girl needs some money. Make them try, make her put together then and do a story upon it, and we all put it out on our channel. That's the kind of thing a countryman is into. You understand? Not no competition this. You have a heap of vloggers out there where have thousands and thousands of subscribers and support. So when you see a situation like the little girl in a mobile, we should have our picture. But have our picture, but I don't know, man, I probably put it up in another video. But yeah, stuff like that we need to do. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's Likkle, Addy, and then father. Now, the clip on the ear, at the beginning, that was him in a London, Birmingham. Now, what I want to say about this it's the worst performance and the worst set of performance I've ever seen for a long time. Now, for a youth where I come from music royalty and them say him is a bad DJ or artist and him can match up the place and thing, but from when me see this youth is an entire flop. Me know enough people not to like this, but me just call it what it is. Now, when him come on stage, okay, cause me I criticize it, you know. When him come on stage, him come out with a song where the people them don't know, or that you see on the front. Now, me I play a song, another clip from the video with a song where the people them know and look on the difference. Wanna just watch that clip there, and that are the best clip and the best part-time show. And then after I do that and get a forward, instead of go back in a couple different times, me I show no where I'm do.
What was that? The grass and blessed, but show you the place, the last and where the spirit in it, and I think I every day I'm away from place to place, to bring on the place, and I'm not seeing it, but when you're out here, I know that it's the most happy.
Now when I see that performance there, one thing about that. One thing about that performance there, I think it was a terrible performance. Him don't know how to take the stage and him don't know how to communicate in the right way. All them a ball out, Gaza, Gaza, and free world boss, and then the crowd scream because you know say him have him father fans them, but him is not no Vybz Kartel, and him can't deliver. Him do the show, and him use the rhythm then, and him not even communicate with the man that mix him down. And the youth in the yellow office face up, and I tell the DJ, the man that play the music for deal with it. So, me not knock him, because he's a young youth, and he might try to do him thing, but on stage and the performance is a big flop. It's a big fail. You need to go back to the drawing board and regroup how am I doing thing. Even the youth, the intense, sound way better than him in a lot of ways. We never really see intense perform yet, but in tune Voodoo and Nigeria. You understand? That was a wicked tune. And he's a young youth, and he have a whole heap of followers like a young youth to like Likkle Vybz. But this was a terrible performance, and he put it on Instagram, and it was a terrible performance. If me in him camp, I wouldn't put up this. The only clip me would have put up are the good clip we him do. You understand? But we don't know how I run in things. You understand? But overall, this is a flop, a fail, terrible. Before me go, I go play the intro. I want to see the crazy intro when do when them come in. And one of the most boring appearance me ever see on stage. we nearly fall asleep. But like I said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And like I said, check out the Patreon page, the membership section, the WhatsApp group, Country Squad there. And I'm going to play the intro when the youth, a little Addy come up on stage. Yo, if I did me come up on stage like that, I know the audience would have booed me. The only reason why them not boo him, I threw him father. But one thing I will tell him before I go. It's better you spend some of your father money, dog, instead of you go out there and embarrass yourself. You understand? Or do it the right way. Vybz Kartel that worth about $5 million. Spend some of your money and just kick back and go live rich and famous and set up your business. If you're going to do the music thing, dog, you have to do the thing right. You might say you're your own artist, but you're following in the footsteps of one of the greatest artists who ever come out of reggae. Them man there, your father, to be honest, he might go be next to Bob Marley and them man there. Because he means prolific and he might doing things, you understand? So you know, if you ever go out there, you come in like Z them, you have to do it the right way, you understand? You have to feel the energy, dog, and transform when you go up on stage. Remember, Countryman tell you that. Like I said, I play the clip, and my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button, and drop some comments. I play the clip when the youth come up on stage. I want to make the decision, I just know it's a flop. Countryman, I'm out.
It's 24 hours a day. I've got to go to work because I've got to get paid. No time to waste. Time hold it. All right, yo. Likkle Vybz. First time, yo, drop it on. Drop it down. First time, nigga. Likkle Vybz, think of yourself, the people that love you. Yo, big up